Hi Savers, Chrissy here from Coupon Confidants, back with another matchup. This is the Publix Green Flyer deals for October 27th through November 9th. These will be starting this Saturday, so you'll want to go ahead and get a head start on some new deals. If you don't already know, Publix puts out 2 flyers bi-weekly. One is purple, that is health and beauty, and the other is green, that is for food and groceries. So this is our brand new green flyer that is starting this weekend, October 27th. College Inn organic broth, 32 ounce, $2.99 is the average price for the organic. You'll want to use the $1 off of 3 from Smart Source September 30th. Watch that expiration date. It expires October 30th. And stack that with the $1 off of 1 organic broth Publix Green Flyer coupon that's going to come out in this new green flyer. Now you will be able to print these as early as tomorrow, Friday, the October 25th, on Publix's website. You can get that by clicking right here. And you'll be able to print it, or you can pick yours up in the store. So if you buy 3, $1 off 3 insert coupon, use $3 off 1 Publix coupons. Final price is $1.66 each, and you must buy the organic. Next deal up is for Dr. Pepper 12-pack 12-ounce cans. There is a current weekly sale, buy 2 get 1 free, part of the weekly sale, so that ends either October 30th or October 31st, depending on where you are. If you buy between these dates, October 27th through the 30th or 31st, you will get the best deal. You'll be picking them up for $2.66 each. The sale is buy 2 get 1 free. You're going to buy 6, and you're going to use 3 of the $2 off 2 Publix Green Flyer coupons, and they will be $2.66 each. If you buy them after the 30th or 31st, you will pay $4.49 each after the $2 off of 2 Green Flyer coupon. Next up is Ronzoni's Super Greens, or gluten-free pastas or organic. This is 12 to 16 ounce, and the Super Greens are a regular price of $1.99 each box. Use the $1 off of 2 Publix Green Flyer coupon, and you will pay 50 cents each. Another soda or beverage deal: Seagram's Ginger Ale, Fanta, Barks Root Beer, Minute Maid Mellow Yellow, or Pib, or Fuse Iced Tea. All of the 2 liters are $1.99 regular price, and we have a $1 off of 2 Publix Green Flyer coupon that you can use on any of these and get your 2 liters for 50 cents each. Yummy, yummy. Another beverage deal: Polar Seltzers. If you are a seltzer drinker, the 1 liters will be on a sale price of 50 cents each. There is no coupon needed for these. Just pick them up, 50 cents each, which is a yummy, yummy deal. These are nice when it's hot outside, a nice refreshing seltzery drink, and they have different flavors. Another no coupon needed: King's Hawaiian Sweet Rolls, 12 count, or the Buns, 8 count. You will find this in your bakery department, and they will be on sale for $3 each. These are great to make sliders with. I take the whole entire pack, put it in my baking pan, cut the whole thing in half like one big sandwich, and you can fill it with anything. You can look the recipes up on Tasty. They have the scrambled eggs and ham recipe. They have the cheeseburger recipe. They have pulled pork sliders. Oh, all kinds of stuff. So this is yummy. Another no coupon needed deal is Nestle Carnation Evaporated Milk. The cans will be on sale for $1.25 each. Moore's Marinades will be 59 cents each after the $1 off of 1 printable coupon. They're at a sale price of $1.59, and we have a $1 off of 1 printable coupon, making them 59 cents each. Skinny Pop Popcorn, the 4-ounce bags, I believe, yes, are $3 sale price, and we have $1 off of one from the Retail Me Not August 5th. Watch that expiration date, and you will pay $2 each. Stonyfield Yo Kids or Yo Baby yogurts, 6 to 8 packs, are on sale for $3 each, and we have $1 off of one printable coupons, making them $2 each. And Ortega taco shells, 5.6 to 5 ounce, are on sale for $1.50, and we have a couple different coupons you can use. We have one from the Smart Source August 12th that has a long expiration date. Then we have $1 off of 2 printable coupons. That'll make these $1 each after any coupon you use. If you use the $1 off of 2, you will obviously have to buy 2, or you can pick one up and use the insert coupon, whichever way you want to do it. If you click here, you will see the complete list. This is the complete typed list provided to me by Favado. So above are all my visual favorite deals, and if you click here, you will get to see the entire flyer that is provided to us from Favado. As you see, this is the current green flyer that's about to end, health and beauty flyer, the weekly matchups, and the newest green flyer is over here on the end. So these are all just typed lists, no visual deals from Favado. And anything with the star next to it is what they feel are great deals. Here's a couple other things. Look, Alexia vegetable sides, $1 off of one. That's a new Publix flyer coupon that will be out in the green flyer. That's neat. That sounds good to try. Organic bread and avocados. Oh, see, look here. So this is something else you can match up with the current deal on avocados that we have in the weekly matchups. Make sure you check those out too. I'll include the link in the bottom of this video. What else do we have? Bare Naked granola bites, 3 off of 3 coupon. That's nice. Any of the Atkins people, there's a stackable deal right there. You have the sign up coupon, you have the $1 off of 2 rebate, and then you have a Publix flyer coupon, so you can stack that deal. Chex Mix. I feel like Chex Mix is on sale this week. I'm gonna have to go back and check that out. Chobani yogurts are definitely, I might be mixing this current week with last week's. I write so many, I get confused, and they all run into one. Like, I'll run to the store and I'll think I'm getting a deal, and meanwhile it was last week's deal. So I'm a mess like that. Anyway, scroll through, see what else you like. If you need help with any of these, please comment in the comments below. I am here to help. I want to help. Comment, comment, comment. Please like the video if you do, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time. Thank you, Savers.